What if I told you there was a neighborhood in Tequesta that feels like old Florida, with giant oak trees, custom homes, boating access, tennis courts, and incredible privacy? Today, we're touring Heritage Oaks, and honestly, this is one of those neighborhoods that people don't stumble upon by accident. Once residents move here, many stay for years. If you're looking for luxury without the stuffy country club atmosphere, you may absolutely love this community. Hey everyone, it's Dana Feliciano along with my business partner Peggy Ganger, and we are realtors with Keller Williams Treasure Coast Realty. We would love to be your Treasure Coast home matchmaker and help you find the home of your dreams. So whether you're moving in 9 days, 90 days, or even next year, shoot us a text, send us an email, or give us a call. We'd love to help you make a smooth move here to South Florida. Heritage Oaks is a gated community tucked away in the northern edge of Tequesta, right along the North Fork of the Loxahatchee River and next to Jonathan Dickinson State Park. The community features just under 200 custom homes, which gives it a very private and intimate feel. The very first thing you'll notice when you come on in is the canopy of mature oak trees. Honestly, driving here feels different than most South Florida neighborhoods. Instead of rows of identical cookie-cutter homes, every house has its own personality, as you can see. You'll find larger home sites, beautiful landscaping, lakes, and some properties that sit directly on the river with private docks and ocean access. There are a few things that really stand out here in Heritage Oaks. First, the lots are generous. Most homes sit on a quarter of an acre at least to a half an acre or more, which is really becoming harder and harder to find in South Florida. Second, this isn't the cookie cutter neighborhood. Again, you have about 200 custom built homes, so every home is different. These custom built homes have a variety of architectural styles, which is really great. Third part about this neighborhood, nature. You're surrounded by lakes, preserved views, wildlife, and riverfront scenery. And fourth, if you're a tennis player, Heritage Oaks has a fantastic private tennis facility and clubhouse right inside the community. The neighborhood really appeals to buyers who want privacy, mature landscaping, waterfront opportunities, a quieter lifestyle, luxury living without joining a golf club. So let's talk waterways. If you love being on the water, this is where Heritage Oaks really shines. The neighborhood borders the North Fork of the Loxahatchee River. Some homes have private docks with direct access that eventually leads out to the Jupiter Inlet and the Atlantic Ocean. Even if you don't own a boat, you're minutes away from kayaking, paddleboarding, fishing, and exploring one of Florida's most beautiful natural waterways. And if you're an outdoor enthusiast, you're also right next to Jonathan Dickinson State Park, one of Florida's largest state parks. Imagine being able to spend the morning hiking, then head to the beach in the afternoon. That's everyday life here. One thing I absolutely love about Tequesta is that it's a small town feel, but the restaurant scene is really surprisingly good. Some local favorites include Lila Coastal Mediterranean, Buco Kitchen and Bar if you're craving some Italian comfort food, and Tequesta Table for breakfast and lunch. And if you just head a few minutes into Jupiter, you have a ton more options to choose from. You're also very close to everything you need. Everyday shopping, residents are just minutes from Tequesta Shops, Tequesta Fashion Mall, and if you want a little more energy, restaurants, boutiques, and events, you're only about 10 minutes away from Jupiter. One of the biggest reasons people choose this area is because you can have a peaceful neighborhood without sacrificing convenience. I would say Heritage Oaks is perfect for boaters, nature lovers, families wanting larger lots, buyers relocating from the Northeast is a big plus. Anyone wanting luxury living without the country club lifestyle. If you love the newer communities with endless amenities, this may not be for you. But if you appreciate mature trees, custom homes, and that old Florida feel, Heritage Oaks is really hard to beat. If you're relocating to South Florida, Heritage Oaks is definitely one of those neighborhoods that deserves a spot on your list. It's peaceful, it's beautiful, and honestly, it doesn't feel like many other communities left in South Florida. I'd love to know, could you see yourself living there? I know I could. Drop a comment below, we'd love to hear from you. And if you're thinking about buying or selling on the Treasure Coast or Palm Beaches, Peggy and I would love to help you. Don't forget to subscribe because every week we're showing you neighborhoods, communities, and what it's really like living in South Florida. I'm Dana Feliciano, your Treasure Coast home matchmaker, and I'll see you on the next video.